Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by preparing your devices and credentials. Sign into Roblox on desktop or mobile and open Settings Security. Once there, choose Enable Two-Step Verification and select Authenticator app as the method. Make sure Google Authenticator is installed on your phone before continuing. You will see a QR code and a backup key. Scan the QR code with the Authenticator app or enter the key manually. This links Roblox to the app, so you can generate time-based codes. Once the QR code is scanned, Google Authenticator immediately creates a rotating 6-digit code. Enter that code back into Roblox to verify the connection. If it fails, wait for the next code cycle and retry. After successful verification, Roblox will show recovery codes and the manual setup key. Copy these to a secure place like a password manager or physical note. This backup prevents lockout if you lose your phone, so don't skip saving them before you proceed. Complete the process by confirming that two-step verification is active in your Roblox security page, and test a login from another device to ensure the Authenticator code is required. If you plan to change phones later, export the account from Google Authenticator or keep the manual key safe. If you ever get locked out, use one of the saved backup codes immediately. If those are gone, contact Roblox support and provide account details. But first, double-check time sync on your phone.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.